Hey good people, it's Zena, a.k.a. Sugar Mom. That's what my grandbabies call me. Come along with me while I build this delicious salad. First I cut up some strawberries, then I'm cut up some sweet peppers. After that, some asparagus that I didn't want to go bad. Then I'm going to cut up an onion, a red onion. And after that, you'll see all the items I'm going to put in my salad. Here's a beautiful bowl I got from Costco's. That's my lettuce, raw cabbage, and carrots. What else we're going to put on this beautiful salad? Oh, so now I'm going to start putting the items that I chopped up on the salad. You can see I put some sweet peppers on there. I put some onions on there. And then I put that asparagus and those strawberries. It is looking so beautiful. The salad is looking so beautiful. A couple pieces of cheese. And season your salads. Restaurant seasoning salads. That's why they taste so good. So I put some Italian seasoning. A tad bit of Cajun seasoning that I had left over. It's almost gone. And then what else I'm going to put on this? It's the salad looking so gorgeous. It looks so delicious. Some baked chicken. I had baked some chicken. And then I'm going to sit down and enjoy my salad. How often do you eat salads? I try to eat salads 3 or 4 times a day, whether it's lunch or dinner. Let me know in the comments.